Oh, we're gonna check near the show right? If you check out my nerd. Bro, we got the iMac. Is that iMac? Okay, guys, this is the iMac. This is like 3 days later after you just saw the first clip. This is the iMac. Now let's open it. This is my brother. He doesn't want to be shown on video, so we're just gonna open it off camera. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open it up. My room is probably most definitely messy. But like, you know, we just came back from like the camping. Okay, so wait. Okay, so this is new iMac Pro Plus V2.
Wait, let's go back for thumbnail. Let's go back.
Hey guys, so this is new iMac that we got. You don't even need scissors. Doesn't be my cameraman.
I bet.
Okay, guys, you don't even need scissors. Look at this high-tech stuff. You just pull a piece of paper and bada bing, bada boom. Okay, this is my first impressions of it, so I'm not gonna say this is a review. This is just me unboxing it. To open it from here or the other side?
Just, I guess, just pull it up. You gotta pull the entire thing up.
He said with a small grin on his face. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Okay, let's tilt the box because this is actually how it goes. So let's just put this, put it nice and neatly down there. And we're just gonna open it up, I guess. Okay, guys, this is my MacBook. We just have a. That is so heavy.
Pause. Hold this. Yeah, I got it. Sorry.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, this is the iMac Pro Plus V2 11R DX12. Now this is the keyboard and magic mouse, I think it's called. Version 2. It's really small compared to the rest of the iMac. Now what I like to do with all my keyboards is I like to say something. I like to type in something. I say, hey, my name is Jeremy. I don't do that thing where you keep it in and you do one of those. No. Really just. No. What's in here?
Charger.
For what?
For the keyboard and mouse. Because they're Bluetooth.
That's sick.
But you just
Where's the
plug
cable?
it into here.
Where's the cable?
What cable?
For the mouse.
That's it.
No, where's the cable to connect it?
That's it.
No, where's the cable to connect it to the computer?
It's Bluetooth.
Oh, seriously? That's sick.
Push holding it backwards.
Seriously?
Yep. That's great. Moving on.
Okay, now let's put this together. And it's like, it's 8 in the morning. No, sorry, no, it's 8 at night.
So 9 o'clock.
And I have school tomorrow.
No. I bet.
But it's still okay.
What's wrong?
Oh, okay. So I just plugged it in. Now let's turn it on. Holy, bro, that's huge. Look at that.
Alright. A little bit about this. I know you don't know who I am, but I'm his brother. But a little bit about this. This is the 4K Retina edition one we just got. It has 16 gigabytes, I'm pretty sure, of RAM.
Okay. No, that's my mother.
Okay, we're skipping that.
Just to compare, this is like a Mac.
That's his school one, but it's from like
MacBook.
2016.
MacBook Air. Just to compare.
It's just his school one.
It's
It's nothing special. Anyways.
Nothing special. Actually, anything special, but now wait. It's almost done. Just wait. How do you turn this thing on?
Oh. You just click the on button.
Well, thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Do whatever you want, because I'm not going to tell you to subscribe, because I don't want those people to say that. Share if you want to. Like I said, do whatever you want to. So don't leave a mean comment, because what's the point in that? But I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm actually going to start posting videos now. So, yeah.